This episode is titled Chilling at Snore Queen's House with Friends. Enjoy the video.
We came here to your fancy antique looking house is because we're going to chill there in our fun time. Wow, that sounds fun. Let's go for it.
And me as well, because I'm new. I'm Show, also known as Ibrahim, and I get fed up of eyes all the time because of his silliness.
Of course. Why not?
That was ambitious. Stay tuned for episode 871.